Hello everyone, I am Sanket Narkhede. I am studying final year engineering at Devgiri Institute of Engineering and Management Streets, Aurangabad. In vacations, as a normal IT student, I have searched for Python courses in Pune. Then I came to know about CodeKul Training Institute located at CodeKul. I have got very much good reviews from the Google as well as I have got reviews from the Facebook. Then I came here to know more about the courses. I have joined Python course as well as I have done internship in Python. I learned from the scratch and I am developed a chatterbot with the help of Rasa's technology. I learned many basic things at the CodeKul. I had got very good staff for the Python as well as a good mentor for the internship. The staff is very friendly to us. I had got Varun sir as my mentor. He cleared my all doubts with his amazing techniques. I learned a lot conceptual as well as theoretical knowledge. I thank to CodeKul for this amazing journey of coding. Those who really want to learn something new technologies in IT industry, I recommend you to join CodeKul without any hesitation. Thank you.